Welcome back. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Poonam Burde. Let's get you now some breaking news that's coming in. Bollywood actor Nora Fatehi has now given her statement at Delhi's Patiala House Court. This is in the defamation case that was filed by her against actor Jacqueline Fernandez. This is in connection with the 200 crore extortion racket case. CNN News 18 has now accessed her statement that she has recorded before the Patiala House Court. Nora has gone on to give details of how the kind of allegations that were made against her has caused her a loss of work, has caused her loss of opportunities, reputation and even mental health issues. It's an ongoing criminal case and the only reason why her name was dragged in was to divert attention from them is what Nora Fatehi has now told court. She wants the damages to be paid to her, damages done to her in her career and her reputation for the last 8 years. That's what she's told court. Ananya, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Yes, Ananya.
Well, definitely, Nora Fatehi had come before the Delhi's Patiala House Court today to record her statement in the defamation case. Remember, Poonam, this was the defamation case this is the Bollywood versus Bollywood case, in fact, where Nora Fatehi had, in fact, filed a defamation case against actor Jacqueline Fernandez, clearly accusing her of, penetrating into her work and stealing it by way of, defaming Nora Fatehi and causing her a loss of work and, in fact, clearly stating before the court that Nora had said that, this was an attempt to diverge the attention from certain people in a criminal case, which is with regards to, Sukesh Chandrasekhar and how he had conned various people and, in fact, Bollywood actresses were given gifts. In fact, Nora Fatehi's name had also cropped up. However, though she was made, a witness in both the cases, whether it's of the Economic Offences Wing or of the Enforcement Directorate, but here Nora has come down on Jacqueline and other people in this particular case, clearly saying that she was made a scapegoat because she is an outsider, she does not belong to this country, and that's the reason why, in fact, she has been made a scapegoat into this case. She has been called a gold digger, which is all absolute sham, is what Nora Fatehi says, and clearly says that she needs damages. Remember that she had sought damages of up to crores of rupees from Jacqueline Fernandez and various other people involved into this particular case for damaging her reputation, causing her damage to her, work life, her professional life, and clearly damaging her career, in fact, and that's the reason why, in fact, Nora Fatehi had filed the defamation case. So now, on the next date of hearing, after Nora has now recorded the statement, there might be notices might be issued by the court and, in fact, responses would be sought from Jacqueline Fernandez and others into this particular case. But very, very clearly, Nora clearly accusing Jacqueline Fernandez of stealing her work by damaging her reputation. How much of it does it play up before the court of law? How much of it does it stand legally? Something that is a matter of time. We'll get to know when the case actually comes up for hearing later. And in fact, what the other side has to say is something also very, very important. We'll have to wait and watch for all of that. But Nora Fatehi coming to the Patiala House Court, clearly recording her statement, clearly accusing Jacqueline Fernandez and others of damaging her reputation and clearly causing a loss to her career. Poonam.
Ananya, what can we expect next now that Nora Fatehi has recorded her statement before court? Can we expect the other party, which is Jacqueline Fernandez and her legal team, perhaps to be summoned to respond the kind of allegations that have been made against her?
Well, definitely, now Jacqueline can be, summoned to actually record her statement also and to give her version in this particular case. But this has not happened yet. We'll have to wait for the official orders to come out in order to, say something else. But at this point of time, no kind of such orders for summoning of Jacqueline Fernandez or other respondents in this case is there. So we'll have to wait and watch for that. But definitely, the other side also would have to be heard by the court in order before passing any kind of, a statement. But the court would first examine the statements of Nora Fatehi and will see as to whether some kind of a damage to her reputation, prima facie, has been caused, and then only can the court actually proceed on to invite the other side to put its responses. But before that, Nora has today recorded a statement clearly saying that all of those allegations of her being a gold digger or being associated with conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar is just a sham, just to damage her reputation and to completely destroy her career.
Right, Ananya. Thank you so much for getting us the latest on that. Do keep a track of what happens next in this case.